Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute since I've posted a video. I am currently very pregnant in my third trimester. Right now as I film this, I am 35 weeks, so 5 weeks left, but my son came early, so I have a feeling baby girl may be coming early. So this video, as you can see, I did my makeup on my face, but I haven't done my eyebrows because I wanted to show you guys how I do them, what products I really like. There's one that has just been a game changer for me. So I wanted to share that with you guys and show you how I do my eyebrows, and they go from this disaster to being filled in. As I've gotten older, I feel like my eyebrows have kind of fallen out, and you can kind of tell like I have just a lot of sparseness in the front. I do let them grow. I haven't been getting them threaded or anything like that. So, you know, I just think it's with age. My dad has very similar eyebrows and his have fallen out as he's gotten older. So that's where I think I got it from. But let me show you the products that I am obsessed with before we start, so you can see as I go through the eyebrow process what I'm using. Okay, so the biggest game changer for me, and you could just use this product, is this Benefit Brow Micro Filling Pen, and I use the color Deep Brown. There's two of them here, and then the one that I use, like, I'm stocking up because I never want to be without this product. I think I've done brow videos in the past, a long time ago, and I've also just showed you guys some of the things that I like using in my brows when I do my makeup routine. This has been like by far my favorite because it really makes awesome brow strokes. So this is what it looks like, and you could see that it makes the little hairs. I'm pretty sure I posted this on my TikTok and showed that this was like my favorite brow product. So I'm just gonna show you guys how it works. So yeah, it's the Brow Micro Filling Pen by Benefit in the color Deep Brown. So if I'm looking over here, it's because the mirror's over here, but I wanna show you guys. So you just start doing little strokes and it makes hairs, like hair strokes. It's the best thing ever for my brows, I think. Sorry, let me see if I could change the way you guys are looking at me. Okay, let me see if I could do this way. So yeah, I fill this in, and again, so I use a few products like when I want my eyebrows to be like nice and perfect. This is always going to go in the front part for me. So see, already just like a massive difference. So you could use this and fill in your eyebrows the rest of the way, which I do sometimes. But I want to share with you guys the other products that I use to give myself like a very refined eyebrow look. So along with that, then I've always used this for years now. It is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer Pencil in Dark Brunette. I'm sorry, I'm so out of breath. Literally when I talk now from being this pregnant, I'm just always out of breath. So it has the spoolie at the end, and then it has the pencil here. So I'm just going to fluff my eyebrows up and then start filling them in. And I just feel like this gives like more of a precise look to my eyebrows. But again, you could still use the micro filling pen if you want, because it does give just like the hair-like strokes. I just kind of like this combo. Let's see. Yeah, I love this combo. And then sometimes you don't have to do this, but I'll just go underneath a little, make a line straight across that I brush through. And then, okay, so the next and final thing that I use is the 24-hour brow setter gel from benefit, and it's just clear gel, and it looks like this. And I will just go in and brush my eyebrows up, and it really sets your eyebrows like great, like they stay in place the entire day. So I'm gonna take you guys over to the window so you could see me. Look at this difference. Do you see this? I don't wanna show the mirror, I'm literally only wearing my sports bra, but like, look at that difference, it's unreal. Okay, so let's bring you guys back. I am going to do the next eyebrow so you can see, but yeah, this is the before and the after. Okay, so this is the final result. Remember, your eyebrows are cousins, they're friends, they're sisters, they're not twins, so they're not gonna be perfect, but I just love these 3 products together. So again, let me just show you guys. It is the brow setter at the end, this for like the first 1/3 of your eyebrows to draw the strokes, and then the L'Oreal Brow Stylist to like make it more precise. I did want to share with you guys 2 other, let me see if I can put this down. I'm trying to get like the tripod and lighting in my bathroom to work, and it just doesn't always work. Okay, so one thing that I used before I got this microfilling pen is the Benefit Give Me Brow Gel, and it's the tinted gel. So I will use it in the color 4.5, which I believe is their like dark brown. I also have their Precisely My Brow Pencil as well in 4.5. So it, I think I just like the tone of this one better from the L'Oreal one, but I do use this one if I run out of this, if this is just what I grab, because yeah, it also has like the spoolie at the end and the small fine tip pencil. I just kind of prefer this shade a little bit more. I don't like any warm tones in my brows. So actually I also have in the Give Me Brow, I have the gray tone. It actually is too cool for my eyebrows. The 4.5 is actually better, but yeah, so like if I just want to run out of the house and just want my eyebrows like kind of tinted, I will use this. It's just not super precise, but it does give like a slight tint. Other than that though, like now, this just makes my life so easy. You just run it through. Like I could literally just run it through the first 1/3 and like then set my eyebrows. I don't even need to use this and be good to go. I'm just like obsessed with it. So yeah, I really, really love the way my brows have been turning out when I do them. I don't leave the house too much, but if I do, that is what I use. So I just wanted to share with you guys in case you are in the market for new brow products. Let me know what your favorite brow products are and if there's anything that I need to try. But yeah, I'm just obsessed. This has been a game changer for me. Super easy, takes me less than like 20 seconds to do like the front part of my eyebrows, which is where they're most sparse. So I love these. But anyways, thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Please like this video, please subscribe to my family. I would love it if you join me here. Comment down below any other videos that you would like to see, any beauty related videos or anything, let me know. And I will see you next time on my channel. Mwah, bisous.